On June 9, 2025, officers in Ohio received a call from a woman outside a local bar reporting a possible drunk driver in a gray SUV. Officers arrived at the scene and met with the caller to find out what had happened at the bar. Here's what the officers did next.
This man has been harassing me.
Which man? What man?
He keeps going and drinking and disturbing me.
How is he disturbing you?
Trashing me and saying things. And every time he comes out, he's wasted.
Okay.
And he's driving drunk.
Where is he now?
He went that way.
Okay.
So he's probably going to go to Fox's or Gilbert's next. So Fox's is right next to the police station, and Gilbert's is catty corner. And I'm frustrated with him because he keeps harassing me, violating me every time I'm out in public. I was at this establishment earlier. I left, hung out with a friend. I'm not driving.
And he was here?
Yes.
When you left?
And he keeps doing this.
So it's when you're up here?
Yeah. And right over there, his mom's establishment.
Which one?
And he's harassing McGuire's.
Okay.
And he says, harassed me, saying, don't talk to people, this and that. And
so
like,
if his mom owns the bar, why go in there?
I didn't go in there because his mom owns the bar. I went in there because I had friends, but I haven't gone there in a month.
Okay.
So I'm saying tonight, when I'm at this establishment, the people I grew up with, he's yelling at me, screaming at me, and I was minding my own business. I am sick and tired of him getting away with driving around drunk in this community.
Why don't you talk to this officer for a second? I'm going to go inside the bar.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Come on in.
The girl outside,
She's
Megan.
a little crazy.
What happened?
She was sitting here all night. There was just like 4 people down there. They were being loud, and she just kept making comments like, "Oh, they're so obnoxious. And people are so loud." Like, we were at a bar.
Yeah.
So she said something. I don't even remember what she said. And one of the guys was just like, "Okay, we're getting out of here." And she's like, "Good, leave." You know. So they were just kind of.
But she kind of initiated that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, because she's saying
But
that...
they left. I mean, as soon as she did, they were like, "Let's just get out of here."
Yeah, because she's saying it's the other way around, and it's some guy that she knows that harasses her.
No.
Okay.
It's not that at all.
Okay. She seems very
Yeah,
intense.
I've seen her come in a couple times, and I've seen her different places. And, I mean, I'm a bartender. I can kind of catch a vibe.
Yeah.
She's a little off. I'll just say that.
And
but I know she got mad, you know, she got mad when he was storming out, but then kept still trying to edge him on. He's like, I'm just trying to leave.
Yeah. And did she walk out after them?
She stayed for a second, and then, you know, I didn't want there to be problems out in the parking lot. Not that there would be, but I was like, I waited till I knew they were gone, and then I told her I was closing up.
Okay. But
I
it
think
wasn't,
she walks. I think she...
Yeah. It wasn't anybody that she said she knew or anything?
No, but they... People,
just being around the scene?
Yeah,
okay.
People go to the same spots.
Gotcha.
She just kept mumbling, "Oh my gosh, they're so loud. People are so annoying."
All right. Well, I appreciate you.
Yeah, no
Glad
problem.
I caught you before you left.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. So, Megan, where's your Uber at? Do you know? Did you look?
Oh, they were 3 minutes away.
Are they still 3?
I had to cancel it because of him.
So did you call another one?
Yeah, I will, but I want to make sure he's not driving around.
Well, let's deal with you first, and let's get you
neighborhood.
out of the
I'm going to
situation.
go home, but I want to make sure he's not driving up to say Fox's or Scalpers.
That has
or
nothing
Gilbert's.
to... Okay.
So I'm
are
just
you gonna...
saying this man is driving drunk up the road right now,
Ma'am.
and that's disgusting.
Stop talking and listen to her for one
I just need you to order your Uber so we can get you home.
But I want to make sure somebody's not driving drunk and possibly smashing.
We have
someone's
other
car.
officers out there. They're looking for him. We're talking to you.
Oh, you're looking for him?
I'm not personally, but I'm
They
sitting
are?
here. Yes.
They actually are?
Yes. So if you can call your Uber.
That's hilarious. This man. is getting away with drunk driving right now when he was in this establishment.
Okay, let's order you an Uber.
You want to do a courtesy ride? I know the law, and I know courtesy ride is granted, and I will show you that that person is driving drunk. You don't care about someone driving drunk in Lyndhurst?
I'm not going to give you a ride to
Those
another
police-
bar.
I'm not going to the bar. I'm going to have you take me to the Lyndhurst police
you're not.
station. Lyndhurst police station will tell you, you know Eliza by chance? Because she's Cleveland Heights police. And she'll tell you that we don't let people drive drunk. I'll call Cleveland Heights police right now.
Do not call them.
No, I will.
Don't call them.
Okay, well, I'll get my courtesy ride. I will call South Euclid Police right now.
Do not call.
Yeah, I'm calling South Euclid Police. I'm getting a ride up there.
Nobody's going to give you a ride.
They're drunk, driving. Stop letting people
You need to
drive drunk.
order your Uber and get off the phone before I place you in handcuffs.
I'm on the corner of Mayfield and Southfield.
Ma'am,
And these.
ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
and-
I need you.
And they're
You need to get off the
touching
phone.
me.
You need to get. You need to get off the phone.
Get off.
Enough. Enough.
They're letting go. Get off of me.
Enough.
I am listening to them. They're touching me. I phone. No, you're stupid. Get away. No. No.
All you had to do was order your Uber.
I did. It's on the phone. Show it. No way.
No.
Absolutely not. You're not going to
Let go of my hand.
I have PTSD. Stop touching me. No. I have PTSD. Stop touching me. I have PTSD.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Put your hand behind your back.
You're violating someone with PTSD. Get off of me. I have PTSD. Get the off of me. You're stupid. You're so stupid. Get off of me. No. I already told her. Get the off of me. I'd rather go to the hospital. Get the off of me. No. 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 Get the off of me. I have PTSD.
Alright, ready?
Get off of me. No.
Listen, I'm the one
You're idiot.
I'm the one you were talking to.
I have PTSD. I want to go home.
Come with me. Come with me.
No. Just get this man off of me.
But you gotta,
No,
you
I
gotta
have
listen.
PTSD.
You gotta listen.
No.
You gotta listen to
He
anybody.
needs
You
to
gotta
get
listen.
off of me
You
now.
can't do that because you're not listening. If you start listening to me, he can let go of you and it can be me and you.
Okay, let
Like,
go.
put your foot down.
No.
Put your foot down.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Oh, I need my blanket. Get off of me. I need my bag. Stop.
We will get your bags.
It's right there. I don't have it.
Knock
Get
it off.
my bag.
We will get your bag.
I'm
Knock
not
it
it off for you.
Knock it off.
Bag now. You're an idiot.
Let's go. Sit down.
No, I want my bag.
You're gonna get your bag. You're under arrest. Get in the car.
I want my bag.
We'll get your bag.
You good?
Oh yeah.
You good? I
Yeah.
was like recording it and it's like, yeah, what's it? Yes, You guys all good though? You guys aren't? You guys are good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It was just more of a like
Oh.
Do we have to-
No, I didn't even get that far. She was like,
all I kept
I'm
hearing
gonna
was her
call.
talking on the radio. I'm like,
I'm gonna. She was
She
like,
why is there
somehow
some-
called the patrolman's area.
so she's like, I'm gonna call. Did she get out of her cuffs? She did.
She did.
Yeah.
out of now?
Yeah.
You're the one that's making this worse. Stop
My
talking and
blanket
listen.
is not a
I have
crime.
your blanket, but right
My
now
blanket.
you are the problem.
No,
Right.
my blanket is not a crime. That man is drunk. You
We don't care about that man right now.
Oh, you care about someone getting drunk? And no, I want my blanket. Stop touching
If you
me.
kick me, you're gonna add charges. You understand
I
me?
want my
Relax.
blanket.
Stop.
I'm not. You're hurting me.
You're hurting
I'm
yourself.
taking it
Stop.
forward.
Stop.
You
Yeah, I know,
fucking
man. He'll be very pissed off at you
You're
for
an
acting like
idiot.
this.
You're you. Get my blanket.
Stay in there.
No,
Lisa?
get my blanket. I have PTSD. Get the off of me. This is police brutality.
Get her in the
Call me. I want my blanket now. No, that's bad. No. No. I need my blanket. My blanket's not treasured. Get me my blanket. Why are you so nuts? I need my blanket now. I need my blanket.
We don't know her name or anything yet.
It's Megan.
Get me my blanket.
Ma'am,
No.
listen to me.
I'm going to
Listen to me!
No, listen to me.
No,
I'm
I'm
going
not. Listen, you're not going to the hospital. You're going in a booking. We're done playing your games. You're going in. I understand and we'll take care of that when we're done doing what we need
I'm
to
not
do.
doing what you need to do.
You are doing what we need to
I
do.
have the right to go to the hospital. I am supposed to be checked in at the hospital.
What is your complaint?
I have CPTSD. I need my medication now. No, I need my blanket. No, I have CPTSD. You don't know how to deal with mental illness. No. I need to go to the hospital. And the more you assault me,
You're not being assaulted.
yes, I need to go to the hospital.
Don't resist.
I need to go get my medication.
You can't go anywhere now until we get you out of this car. So you
No,
gotta
you're
sit up,
refusing my
and we gotta get you out of the
I'm
car
not
so we
sitting
can
up.
move to the next
I
step.
want to hear that ambulance is here. No, I'm going to the hospital. Yeah, you guys offer that every time. No, I'm going to the hospital. Call the hospital now. Now, call Metro Health right now. Stop forcing me before I talk to. Stop forcing me. Get off of me.
Another set of
Get off of me. I have
Wait.
PTSD.
Get a handcuff.
Stop touching me. I
Okay,
need.
go.
No, they said go to the hospital. Get the off of me. Get the off of me.
Call somebody, tell them to bring it up here.
I'm not calling you. I'm going to hospital right now. I'm going to hospital. Call Metro Health.
Not right now.
Yes, I am. You are against the law to refuse my medication.
What
You
medication?
asshole.
What medication?
Eat my cat.
You drink on that.
No.
Just leave him.
No.
Just leave him.
Call Metro Health right now.
Give me the mother fight.
That's my medication.
Okay.
Stop assuming things about me. Call Metro. That's my neighbor.
Well, guess what? Your neighbor's not going to do anything.
Oh, guess what? My neighbor was the chief of police here. So
Yeah,
guess
okay.
what? You're wrong.
No
Because
kidding.
I'm supposed to be at the hospital.
I worked with him. I know.
Oh, then stop keeping me here and take me to the hospital. By the way, I have one drink,
That's all.
and that guy was a white drunk male, just like you, a stupid white male. I have met. Call Metro.
Megan.
No, call Metro. No, you cannot
But
keep
you won't shut up to hear
I
what
want to
I'm
go to
trying to tell
Metro
you.
Health.
Okay, but you gotta get
I'm
to
not
this first.
answering your question till you don't.
That's fine. If you don't want to answer our questions, you're gonna get.
I'm
to
answering your question enough to go to Metro.
You're not answering my questions
No,
enough.
because you
If you
don't have
answer
the
my
right to
question,
know.
you are
I'm going to
Hold on,
Metro Health. No,
here's
you
how
don't
this is
have
going
a
to go.
right.
You
No,
can
this
either
is how it's
pretend
going
you're not-
to. If you keep
don't
refusing
stop
mental
and do
health
it, I'm
awareness,
gonna put you in this cell.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna close the
God.
door. We're gonna let you get
I
sober,
wanna go
and
to
then
that-
we'll finish this
No.
tomorrow.
I need to go to the hospital now. If you put me in a jail cell without my things, you're not Metro Health.
We're not.
Correct.
We are. a
You
police
are not
department, and
certified.
We are in jail.
You're not
And we are
certified.
certified to watch.
You're
and
not
observe people
certified.
that are suicidal. if
I'm
they are
not
in the proper
suicidal.
setting,
You're not
which we have
certified.
the right to
Take
do
me
so.
to Metro
Are
Health
you
for
allergic to
my.
any medications?
Take me to Metro
Do you have
Health.
any special diets or dietary
Yes.
allergies?
I need
What
to
are
go to
you-
the hospital right now.
Are you allergic to any foods?
I need to go to the hospital right
Not
now.
answering. That's gonna be
I
a
need to
no.
go.
Are you treating any STDs currently?
No.
Thank
I
you.
need to go to the
Have you been
hospital.
hospitalized or seen by a medical or psychiatric doctor in the last month?
Whatever
Are you
answer
contemplating-
is getting me
Have you ever
out.
attempted suicide in the past?
No, get me out of here.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. The suspect later failed to appear in court. At this time, her court case is still ongoing.